SPRB is on the move, up 117%. This is Monday, the 6th of October, 2025. Intraday high in this session, $20.51. All of this is as a result of the FDA issuing a tag on its genetic disorder drug. The company said the FDA granted the breakthrough therapy tag for its experimental drug, tralesinidase alfa, to treat Sanfilippo Syndrome Type B. The condition is a genetic disorder that causes progressive brain damage in children. The breakthrough tag is meant to speed up development and review of drugs to treat a serious condition or unmet medical need. The company plans to submit application for US approval in the first quarter of 2026. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Was there any anticipation? There wasn't really any anticipation of the spike of what was going to happen. That's why we have this surprise. If not, there's a good chance the reverse would have been the case. However, the extrapolation is saying that it may begin to contract by the close of today's trading session. And after that, after settling the dust, maybe it may resume from Thursday the 9th, yeah, going all the way towards Wednesday the 15th of October. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying we have already seen a projection here to 20.51. It's just a modest just a modest premium to the current price of 19.81. As of Wednesday, the 24th of September, I had 21.21, 23.22. That's what I'm looking at one now, 23.22. All the way back in March, you had 27.32, 28.72, 29.60. Yeah, middle of March, I had 32.54. Yeah, those were the projections then. Price pressure momentum's robustly trending. Yeah, even the positions opened 200 800 hours ago. I think they should be trending right now. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, the 10 and 21 period moving averages are trending robustly. You can look at this 133. The basic trend mode is begins from 0.25. Look at this. This is so many times above that. Yeah, but however, we have a robustly bearish 21 period moving average. Sorry, robustly bearish second derivative on the 21 period moving average, indicating that there is also a very, very robust selling pressure going on there. Okay, let's have a look at the what's going to confirm this 200 period moving average in terms of whether it's trending, whether the 800. I mean, if the positions opened 800 hours ago are trending, in have are in profit now. Okay, no, they're not. They're not. Everything there is still severely bearish. So that's it's best to confirm with the figures. Yeah, with the price pressure momentum. So even though the stock is trading above that, I would say yeah, even though it's trading above that, it doesn't always mean that the positions open then are now in profit. It's going to take some time before it changes. Okay, we can have a look at the market greed. Market greed. Let's see. Market greed. No. Okay, the stock is still trading outside of the market greed, indicating that higher prices could continue to print. Or but the chances of it pulling back into this very narrow market grid is not high. It's not there at all. Rather we should expect the market grid to expand. So since it hasn't expanded yet, we're not going to wait for it. We'll go to the 1 hour chart to see what it has done. Okay, so nothing has happened here yet. It's an indication that this expansion, this news just broke. Yeah, not very long ago. So we'll just keep going up to see where it has happened, where it has expanded. Yes, okay, here on the 30-minute chart, it has expanded. We have to the top of the grid, 21.83. It's also just a slight premium to this the intraday high of 21.28. It just keeps changing, 329. That intraday high keeps changing there. And the market grid is, the stock is, you can see now clearly this is where this is the top of that grid is. It keeps on challenging it, and this is not going to react anytime soon. I think we have to jump all the way up to the 5-minute chart to see. Yeah, okay, here we have, we have a rejection, and the grid is saying, let's see what it's saying down here on this 5-minute chart. Yeah, 23.76, 23.11, 22.38. The price is at 20.27. So it's right in the support zones. That's the start right now. So it could even go ahead to test the lows of 19 or even 18.89. But at least we have all the potentials. We have as low as 18.24, 23.76. In terms of possible support, we could also revisit the market grids we have already looked at. So here on the 1 minute, it's tighter here. Yeah, 21.32. It is yeah, it's something has already printed that as well. So intraday, so the stock is retreating now. Retreating. What do we have? 19.33. Yeah, it can do that. It may test that. It may test 19.33 as things stand right now. But at least, if anything, I think the 5-minute chart gave us $13 to the top, right? $13. So $23 upward projection. No, 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 no. Market grid projection. We've seen all upward projections. There are a lot of them in going all the way back. Let's have a look at the 4 chart. Going all the way back to the 14th of March, we had as high as 32.54, 32.85, 36.06, 38.04. But the relevance of the market grid is it gives us fresh projections. These ones are still very much relevant, because as the stock advances, it still has to meet these projections. They're not. That's why they're still present. Because the stock has to retest them. It has to surmount them, and on their way back, on its way back, they become supports. They're all very much relevant. So, but in the interim, the market grid just gives us fresh projections. It gives us even projections that are in between the highs of around 38.04 and all that. So let's see what we have. Let's return the price pressure momentum to, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Yeah, let's see how aggressive they are on the markets. Yeah, the gain is now 138%. So volatile, so volatile. All I need to do is close this and open it again. This has changed now, $22. Yeah, and this is still the pre-market session. Okay, we're not seeing anything. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Something's stuck here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's still maintaining that intraday high. Not able to get this out of my screen. Okay, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video. But this is absolutely not the best time to buy. But even though there's no guarantee, it's not going to continue to advance in the regular session. But if anything, I expect that a pullback will occur, just as the extrapolation is saying by the midday, by the close of today's trading session. So yeah, just have a look and see what you make of SPRB. And thank you very much for watching this video.